It's gonna be a little test video on a Z250 zip drive. What you will get is the drive itself, the USB cable, and a one blank diskette. So as you can see right now, I just got a C and a D drive. When I plug this in, it should become an E drive. So there it is, it's E. I'm going to go ahead and put this in there. It's reading the disk right now. And that just popped this up right here. What I'm going to do is just do a quick format on this. Start. Okay. Format's complete. What I'll do is just create like a folder and a blank document in here, like a text document. And then I'll just grab like an MP3 or something like that and pull that over there. Let's just say this one here and copy. I don't know if you can hear that spinning there or not. It's copying the file right now. And it's playing the file right now. If I try to delete this, I'll probably get, you can't delete this because it's in progress or in use. Oh, it did. That's odd. It did allow it to delete it, but that's pretty much it. You can really see that this works, so yes. Oh, and then I'll eject out the diskette here, or the disk. So like I said, I'll give you one. I have one free. I used to use this as a kid when Napster and stuff like that was big, and you had to use high-speed internet at the school because you had dial-up at home. So our school really didn't have that stuff locked down, or I knew how to get around it and stuff. So that was really where it was used for the most part. And that's the drive. Then if I hit eject here, oh, it's safe to remove this. So no cracks or anything like that. It's in really good shape. So that's the video.